Good morning, student. Class 4. We start with our new chapter, that is lesson 3. The physical features of India. In physical feature, you have already learned the northern mountains. Second one is the northern plains, which our physical features of India is divided into. First one you have already learned the northern mountain, and now we can know about the northern plains. The northern plain, a vast stretch plain of flat lands, that is from east in Assam to the west in Punjab. This whole part is the northern plain. This northern plain is located in the south of northern mountain. Here is northern mountain, and it is situated in the south of this mountain. It is about 250 kilometers in length, but in width it is 300 to 150 kilometers. So this tableland and this northern plains are made by the rivers which are originated from the Himalaya mountain, and they deposit their slit into this plains, and due to this slit this mountain or plains are formed, and these plains are very fertile. The river which are originated from the Himalaya, they can water these plains, so that these plains are known as the basins, and it is very fertile. These plains are very fertile because the plains are made by the soil which are drawn by the river which come from the Himalaya. So this soil are alluvial soil. Which type of soil? These are alluvial soil. This alluvial soil is very good for crops, and due to the sufficient water, this whole plains are divided into 3 basins. So the northern plain is divided into 3 basins. Satluj river basin, Ganga river basin, and number 3 is Brahmaputra river basin. Brahmaputra river basin. So this whole northern plain, this whole from here to east, from east to west, these northern plains are divided into 3 river basins. What are they? They are Satluj basin, Ganga river basin, and Brahmaputra river basin. So start with Satluj basin. Satluj basin is made by the river Satluj and its tributary, that is Beas. These 2 rivers combine and make up this basin that is called Satluj basin. It is mainly in Punjab and Haryana. This river basin, Satluj basin, includes state Punjab and Haryana. This basin have extreme climate. That means it is too much hot in summer and too much cold in winter. This basin does not receive so much rainfalls. That's why there is some scarcity of water there. So to help the farmer, government has made a dam in Satluj river, that is Bhakra Nangal Dam. This dam provide water to irrigation and also provide electricity, because this dam generate, with the help of this dam we can generate electricity. So this dam provide water and electricity to this Punjab and Haryana. Now come through Ganga river basin. This Ganga river basin include the state mainly Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and some part of West Bengal. This river mainly made by the Ganga and its tributaries. Mainly the Ganga originated from the Gangotri glaciers in Himalaya. It's come from it's combined with Yamuna river at Allahabad, and it enter in from Allahabad and combined with that means river Yamuna and in Sangha. In mythology it is known that before thousands of years one river, that is Saraswati river, also combine can mix in this river, that is Saraswati. But nowadays there is only two rivers, that is Ganga and Yamuna. This Ganga come to West Bengal, and when it enter in West Bengal, they flow very slowly, and here it split into many branches, that is called distributaries. When it enter in West Bengal, it known as Hooghly, where the famous metropolitan city, that is Kolkata, is situated. And when this river entered in Bangladesh, its name Padma. That is the Ganga river basin. So Ganga river basin is in UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Now the third basin is Brahmaputra river basin. This Brahmaputra river basin made by the river Brahmaputra. It is originated from this Brahmaputra river basin mainly originated in Tibet from Mansarovar, and in Tibet its name is Sangpo. This river name is Sangpo, but when it enter in India, its name is Brahmaputra. It's mainly flow towards eastward, and it's enter in India through Arunachal Pradesh. Before it, after that entering from Arunachal Pradesh, it also comes to Assam, and after that it goes to Bangladesh and mix with the Bay of Bengal. So this Brahmaputra river, when it's come to Assam and enter to the country Bangladesh, its name is Padma. And this Brahmaputra river joined with this Padma river, and that is in India we can call it Ganga, and it Brahmaputra river combined with Ganga and go and make a world largest delta, that is Sundarban Delta. Some part of its delta is in West Bengal, but mainly the many parts of this delta is in Bangladesh. Some parts of Brahmaputra basin is in Assam and few part is in West Bengal. So these are the main basins of northern plains: Satluj basin, Ganga basin and Brahmaputra basin. Okay.